What's wiggling, wearing noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the brand spanking new Powerbeats headphones for 2020. So basically, these bad boys are the new version of the Powerbeats 3 wireless headphones. So you might hear people calling them the Powerbeats 4, although technically they're only called the Powerbeats. Who knows, I might even call them the Powerbeats 4 because I think that name would make much more sense because that's essentially what they are. And yeah, these bad boys just came out a few days ago, so I'm super duper excited that we've got them over here in the Warenotice studio this quickly. So guys, without further ado, let's get to getting these bad boys out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, we've got a picture of the headphones. It says Powerbeats right here, and right here it says up to 15 hours of battery life. So all that sounds pretty cool. Also, you can see from the box, I got this beautiful red version of the headphones. Obviously, I do love Warenotice red. It's Warenotice's color, so I just had to get the red version right here. So over here on this side of the box, we got the Beats logo. Right here it says Powerbeats. Over here on this side, it talks about the headphones a little bit more, and we've also got the Beats logo once again. So it says battery up to 15 hours wireless play. It says sweat and water resistant. That's definitely good if you want to bring these bad boys to work out at the gym. And yeah, it's also got adjustable secure fit ear hooks and on-ear controls for music and calls. So yeah, very cool. Without further ado, let's start getting this bad boy out of the box. So we can just peel this shrink wrap off the box just like that. Oh yeah, and let's see what is inside. So simply enough, we can just pull this box open just like that. We got another Beats logo right here, and now we can just take the top off right like that, and boom, here are these headphones. And my oh my, I'm already loving this red color. Of course, that looks very, very nice. So we could just pull this out of the box. We can pull this little paper off of it right there. And yeah, folks, look at these. They look pretty nice. Should I try them on real quick before we get everything else out of the box? Let's see, let's see. So this right here, this is the right one, and here is the left. So we can just, let's see, untangle this wire a bit and put them on. Boop, boop, boop. And folks, just like that, now I got them in. How do I look? Oh yeah. So let's continue with this unboxing, see what else is inside the box. Right here, we've got a bunch of different red interchangeable ear tips. If you want to find a better size for your ear, you can do that. Over here, we have a very, very small Lightning to USB cable for charging these bad boys up. And over here in the back of this little package, we've got the paperwork. Here it says Powerbeats. And of course, we have a little Beats logo sticker right there, which is obviously pretty cool if you like Beats. Also in the box, folks, we have this little pouch right here to put the headphones in when you're not using them, to carry them around. And yeah, folks, so now we know what is in the box. So let's take actually a closer look at these headphones before we get them connected to my iPhone. So now, folks, first thing you'll notice about these wireless headphones is they do still have a wire between them, connecting them, and you can interpret this as either a positive or a negative. One way you can say that it's positive is it does make these headphones cheaper than the Powerbeats Pro totally wireless earbuds, which will set you back $250, whereas these ones will only set you back $150. Also, you could say it's positive because you can wear them around your neck just like this. You don't have to like put them down or put them in that carrying case. You can just wear them on your body, and you also don't have to worry about them getting disconnected and losing, say, one earbud. If you're gonna lose these bad boys, you're gonna lose both at the same time, which I guess could also be a negative thing. And yeah, but some ways that you could interpret this wire as being negative is, well, first of all, it does have a wire between them, so if you're looking for totally wireless, you might not like that. And yeah, depending on your preferences, you just might not want a wire between your headphones. And now, folks, another thing you'll notice about these headphones is over here on the right one, you've got a lightning port right here for charging these bad boys up with either the included lightning cable or one that you already have that maybe came with your iPhone. So yeah, I definitely think it's cool how Apple made the charging port on these lightning, so then you can use, for example, the cable that came with your phone to charge these bad boys. But some people might say they'd rather see USB-C on here. I'm just glad it's not micro USB. maybe that's the most annoying one. And now, folks, another thing you'll notice on these headphones is the buttons. So right here, over here on the left earbud, we've got the power button right there. Over here on the right earbud, we've got this longer button, which is actually the volume rocker. So if you push it like that, you can turn up the volume, and then if you push it like this, you can turn down the volume. Now, another cool thing is that the Beats logos on these, guess what? This Beats logo right here, it is actually a button as well. You can use it to pause and play your music as well as talk to Siri. So yeah, a lot of cool things going on in these headphones. So without further ado, let's get them actually connected to my iPhone and start using them. So to do that, first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hold down this button right here to turn them on. Now next, once these bad boys are on, as you can see on my iPhone right here, look what pops up, an option to connect to these bad boys automatically. So let's tap connect and let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look, 53% charged. They're connected that quickly and done. Boom, boom, boom. And folks, just like that, now these bad boys are all connected to my iPhone, so let's put them back in my ears. Oh yeah. And now I'm just gonna take a few minutes to listen to some music on my phone. And yeah, folks, now I've listened to a few different songs on these headphones, and they definitely sound okay. Nothing to write home about in terms of audio quality, but you're probably not expecting that from a $150 pair of Beats headphones. So yeah, but when you do turn up the volume, they definitely sound a bit better, and also that bass, when it gets to pumping with that louder volume, it sounds pretty good in my opinion, but otherwise it's just, you know, it's just okay sounding. It's nothing special. But I mean, again, for a pair of relatively cheap compared to other Beats headphones that you're probably gonna work out in, I don't think the audio quality is anything to complain about. I would definitely be fine listening to this quality of music while working out. But once again, probably not studio quality right here, folks. And yeah, folks, obviously those are just my first impressions of the audio quality on these bad boys. So now let's carry on the Warenotice tradition of every time I unbox a pair of headphones, singing along to a song for you guys to show me listening to music. So this time we'll be singing, of course, Old Town Road by Lil Nas X. So here we go, folks. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Horse tack is attached. Hat is matted black. Got the boots that's black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't even off the porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. And folks, yeah, right there was obviously probably your favorite part of my headphone unboxing videos, me singing along to a song. So I hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, with that, folks, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of these all new Powerbeats headphones for 2020, which I like to think of as the Powerbeats 4, since once again, they are the new version essentially of the Powerbeats 3 wireless. So yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these bad boys. I do read all the comments, by the way, because why would I not? It's fun. And one more thing I will say, folks, is Apple, if anyone at Apple is listening, you should definitely make the Powerbeats Pro in this awesome red color. That would be super duper cool, because it would be essentially like these headphones except totally wireless, no wire in between. I think that would be awesome. I do love red, so Apple, you should do that. And yeah, that's just my feedback right there. So everyone, if you enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with these brand new Powerbeats headphones, baby. Ooh.